Alright guys, what's up? Ultimate Money Grower here, and today's video I'll be showing you how to fund your Binance account here in Canada. So let's make this video short. So all you need to do once you are in the Binance page is you need to go to P2P. Alright? Once you get here, basically you'll go to P2P Trading. Okay? Alright? And under the fiat section, you change this to Canadian dollars. That'll be CAD. Because unfortunately, Binance suspended Canadian dollars using your credit or debit card, I guess. So our option is for P2P trading, or you can also go for uh, a coin transfer. So, but I think this is the most easiest way. So I think we'd go for this one. So in this section, uh, you would basically exchange your Canadian dollars for US dollars. All right. So technically, these advertisers here are gonna be exchanging your Canadian dollars. So for example, this seller, Lazy Bacon, is pricing one US dollars at 1.18 CAD, and he's only selling $86. So under Tangerine Bank. So under this all payment section, you can change what type of payment you are going to be using. So it depends what bank do you have. If you have RBC, CIBC, but normally I use Interact e-transfer. This is the most easiest way. Okay, so if you sort out the payment, so it depends on what type of payment you choose. So for example, Interact, and if you go for buy, uh, just check out the minimum amount or the minimum limit that the seller set up. Let me get back a bit. Okay, there you go. Oh, where was that? There you go. So all you need to check is this limit. So that's the minimum amount that you can buy from this seller under this price, for example. So it depends on the capacity or the amount that you can handle. So normally lower prices have higher limits. I mean higher minimum amount. Okay. So for example, this one can buy at least $200 Canadian dollars. So for example, we go for this one. And you go for 200. So your 200, you would receive 156.25 US dollars. So you can start trading here in Binance. So if I'd go for buy, okay, place an order, you will be redirected to the payment page. Technically, you can chat with the seller here. You can attach photos or screenshots of your proof of payment. So this is, for example, the email that you can send to the account. So before you do anything or click this transfer next, you need to make sure that you're done the payment. You can again you can contact the seller here. All right, and once you've done the payment or you've sent the payment, just click transfer next. This will prompt the seller that you had sent the payment to him, and then he will send you this amount, the 1.56.25, the equivalent amount of your 200 Canadian dollars. So I think that's it. So I hope that's fast and easy to understand. Um, See you again in the next video. By the way, don't forget to click like and subscribe if you don't mind. Thank you so much for the support, and you have a good one.